Welcome. In Kranji Secondary, our vision is to mold students into thinkers with a drive to excel and leaders with a heart to serve, so that we can champion causes that we believe in. I invite you and your child on this journey to join our Kranjians community. Guided by our school motto, Breakthrough, he or she will grow as persons who will put forth his or her best and develop the dare-to-do spirit to succeed in future. It is my conviction that together with our passionate and caring staff, your child will experience learning that is distinctive, meaningful, and joyful as Kranjians. I invite you to explore this site to learn more about how Kranji Secondary aims to create the thinkers, leaders, and champions for tomorrow. If you have any questions, we would also like to invite you to sign up for a conversation with me on 26 November, Friday at 7:30 p.m. I look forward to welcoming you and your child to join our Kranjian community.